firm here based in Lusaka. We have been in the space going on 10 years now. In terms of our market and who we service, we tend to be kind of like in the top of the middle market, maybe the top range of the market, so more exclusive, bespoke projects. If we look at our current portfolio, we have both residential and commercial projects. What we would call our core competency is interior design. The firm is led by Fijan Design, my wife and design partner, and myself as managing partner of the firm. And we were diaspora based for a long time. Decided to come back home and make our mark here in Zambia in terms of design. So we are at the EFT project here in Lusaka. EFT is a South African-based firm, actually Zimbabwean originally, but their initial contact to us came from their South Africa office, and they are coming to the Zambian market and are looking to grow. We were very excited to get the phone call from EFT and do some work for them.
We had never marketed ourselves before until probably a year and a half ago now. And what was just like an afternoon hobby, shifted it to marketing, and now I manage the whole EFT brand for the group. It was just about, we work in teams, so we have teams within a team. Our group is one team, and obviously we needed a space that could cater to our different teams, but have it open enough that one team could engage with another team. And then we needed something a bit versatile, that caters to what we need in each region. For Zambia, we are known for doing points of sale repairs, which is why we needed a repair center. We just needed, we needed a space that was versatile, that could cater to what our team needs to function on a day-to-day basis, as well as what we need to service our customers.
The design process, sitting with the team and spatially planning, choosing the materials, what materials would work. So all this aside from the branding that the company brings to the table was really exciting on this project. We are thankful to the EFT team because they gave us free rein on the project. So we were free to bring in whatever materiality we wanted in terms of features and some of the crazy whack ideas that we brought to the table. They were not dismissive of them. They were really open.
And so you guys were patient. I will put that down as my top quality. And then when I asked you to come back and we had a different space and we were in the process of signing a lease, it really was about the patience. My next favorite quality is that you guys listened to what our needs were. You took into consideration what we were saying. You've taken our brand and you kept it uniform. You kept to our colors. You took something so simple, you added a bit of a flair, so you took it, you took something simple and you turned it into something really functional, really beautiful.
Being in this landscape, one of the things that we found is that there's a niche in terms of articulated, well-executed design, in terms of interior. I feel that there is still a huge opportunity in terms of being able to bring well-coordinated, well-thought-out, intelligent design into the market. And that's kind of the journey that we've been on the last, I'd say 10 years.
There was never moments of frustration. That and doing it remotely, obviously out of South Africa, I never felt like I had to chase you down to follow up what was going on with the project. I always had feedback from you, even when you're bothering me on a weekend, but we'll forgive, but always had feedback. Never had to phone you to find out what was happening. Never had to ask for an invoice, never had to ask for design. It was it was that communication that really just made this a lot more seamless.
Because the history has been previously that most firms, international firms that come into our market, want to typically bring in their own designers. We've seen that for a very long time. So for us to be in this space, growth and recognition, it really is a pat on the back for everybody on our team, and we're thankful.
So yeah, the reception is just when you walk in and you've got our logo and the colors, and it's just, it brings a sense of credibility. You know, it's something real. I think you get a lot of these fintechs that pop up and they sell homes and dreams, and it brings credibility to our brand and our organization.
And so when you begin to look at the space, the final space, and it is a reflection of the people, the energy, the branding that EFT as an organization, at least we have felt, it encompasses who they are. We have a saying at Fijan Design that design is an emotive experience. Interior design is emotive. What you feel the moment you walk into a space absolutely matters. And we have seen that reaction firsthand from the moment people walk into the space. There is a reaction, a positive reaction, and that's what we live for, right? That is what we aim for.